Tesla is in talks with India to build a factory with a production capacity of 500,000 vehicles, according to a report. It will reportedly produce the affordable cars, which are about to be $25,000. After years of discussion and finding compromises, Tesla and the government of India have moved closer to real deal. It is reported that Elon Musk has begun negotiations with the government of the country on an investment proposal to create an automobile factory in India. Its annual capacity should be 500,000 electric vehicles, costing starting at about $24,400, government sources told Times of India. In addition to building a factory, Tesla is considering using India as an export base. This would make a lot of sense since a factory in India can supply cars to the Indo-Pacific region. This information was also provided by Times of India by government sources. By the way, Reuters is also reporting it. Tesla has come to us with an ambitious plan, and we are confident that the movement will be positive this time around, especially as it involved both local manufacturing and exports, the sources said to Times of India. The Commerce and Industry Ministry is leading the talks in India, and the government is hoping to put together a good deal while maintaining a level playing field. Over the past months, friends, I have heard rumors that Tesla is in talks with Indian government to build an assembly factory in country. The manufacturer's team also visited India. Further, a few weeks ago, Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with Elon Musk during his US business visit. Remember that? I covered here at Torque News. After that, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that Prime Minister was pushing him to invest in India. Here's what he said. He, Mr. Modi, really cares about India because he's pushing us to make significant investment in India, which is something we intend to do. We're just trying to figure out the right timing, Musk said last month in June. I'm confident that Tesla will be in India and will do so as soon as humanly possible. So what do you think about Tesla making an investment in India to build affordable cars in India? I personally think that if Tesla was going to build a Gigafactory in India, it better be for the production of $25,000 car. And now we have the pricing, which is going to be $24,400 according to Times of India. And this can be much more affordable to more people in India and in the Indo-Pacific region. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me hear. Let's continue hearing my next report about another Gigafactory of Tesla. An image from Tesla China has confirmed that Gigafactory Shanghai recently achieved yet another notable milestone. As per a photo from the electric vehicle maker, Giga Shanghai has successfully built its 1 millionth Model Y crossover. I will have the link of that image in the description of this video so you can see. The milestone is particularly impressive, especially considering that the factory, Giga Shanghai, itself only opened in 2019. At the time, only the Model 3 sedan was being produced at Giga Shanghai. The Phase 2 area, which produces the Model Y crossover, had to be built and launched later. And now 1 million of them. Big? I think so. Tesla's Model Y production only really started in early 2021, which is just about 30 months ago. But while the ramp of the vehicle's production was quick, the facility ended up facing multiple challenges, over the last year. Last year, for example, Giga Shanghai production was halted due to COVID restrictions. Remember that? In China, supply chain issues also caused headwinds to the facility's operation. Gigafactory Shanghai currently serves as Tesla's primary vehicle export hub, with the facility catering to multiple markets across several continents. These include the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Asian countries like Thailand. Earlier this year, Giga Shanghai also started providing the Model Y units to all the way to Canada. If you remember, I had a special report on that. You can check and explain why. While Tesla has already built several other vehicle factories since Giga Shanghai, the China-based facility is still a hallmark of efficiency and productivity. Today, the factory is the company's largest facility by output. The fact that it only produces 2 cars, the Model 3 and Model Y, makes this accomplishment even more impressive. Speaking of today, by the way, we heard the news about Tesla in talks to build Gigafactory in India now. Anyway, Elon Musk has given Giga Shanghai due praise over the year. In recently facility, the CEO praised the factory staff for producing cars that are in the highest quality when he visited there. He said, "It's been incredibly impressive how you have been able to overcome so many difficulties and many challenges. It warms my heart, you know. And I tell people throughout the world, the cars we produce here are not just the most efficient in production, but the highest quality," Musk said. I personally think Giga Shanghai has a great advancement, and I'm glad to hear this 1 millionth vehicle. Let's look forward to our next stories, friends, and let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the progress at Gigafactory Shanghai? Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. Tesla has made a request to make changes to its current Giga Berlin facility that will impact its phase 2 expansion and help Giga Berlin to reach 1 million electric vehicle production capacity. Let's see what all of these developments are, because we hear today that Tesla Giga Shanghai has achieved 1 million Model Y. Now Giga Berlin is preparing for that. Giga Berlin has developed a bit of reputation among Tesla's vehicle production facilities, while it is capable of producing Model Y units with excellent quality, and while it is home to the company's most advanced paint shop. Giga Berlin is also the facility that constantly attracted opposition during its build-out process, if you remember, environmentalists and so on. Tesla faced numerous challenges while establishing operations at Giga Berlin. Environmentalists, for example, closely monitored Tesla's activities, and local residents expressed concerns about potential water depletion in the area, and I have sympathized with some of those concerns, seeing how beautiful the area is. Now, Giga Berlin critics have put in some serious effort in the past and now to block the facility from operating in the past, and when these initiatives were unsuccessful, efforts were still launched against the Giga Berlin Gigafactory. While Tesla Giga Berlin has not yet reached its target capacity of 500,000 Model Y per year, Tesla is already looking ahead to facility's next phase. Phase 2 of Giga Berlin is expected to expand the plant's production capacity by an additional 500,000 electric vehicles, which should give the facility an output of 1 million electric vehicles per year, just like Gigafactory Shanghai. This is definitely good news for the factory, but this also means that Tesla will have to navigate what could very well be another painful and exhausting approval process. An RBB24 report indicated that the company is in the public consultation stage for phase 2. This provides individuals the opportunity to review the plan's available documentation online from July 19 until August 18. Remember these dates. The public will then have the opportunity to voice their concerns and opposition during a public hearing tentatively scheduled for October. So as you can see, this is a pretty lengthy process. As indicated in the plans submitted to the Brandenburg Environment Ministry, Tesla intends to construct a new large production hall for its expanded vehicle production area. The company is also looking to optimize operations on its existing line to enhance productivity. Apart from this, Tesla is planning to double the capacity of its battery production facility from 50 gigawatt-hour to 100 gigawatt-hour per year. That's a large gigawatt-hour per year. It makes a lot of batteries for electric vehicles. It is almost certain that Tesla's plans to expand Giga Berlin will be met with opposition from the facility's longtime critics. That being said, the electric vehicle maker could make a pretty compelling case here. After all, Tesla believes it can double Giga Berlin's capacity to 1 million electric vehicles per year without increasing its water usage at all. That's a very difficult point to oppose, since the facility already consumes the same amount of water today.